Hey teachers, this is Miss Anne. Let me give you a glimpse on the subject I am passionate about. Today, I will share to you a mental math addition trick that you may want to use as a motivation to your students when teaching addition with regrouping. So once in a while, let us make our students believe that we are human calculators too. In this video, you're going to see 5 or 7 add-ins added up easily in just few seconds without the use of any calculator at all. So check it out guys for another resource for online teaching. This is a taking turns game that you and your students will be both engaged to. I will be needing 5 add-ins with 3-digit numbers. Let me begin. Let's say for example, I will be giving my students 745. Then I will call for a volunteer to give me any 3-digit number he or she has in mind. Let's say for example, 245. Then I will tell my students it's again my turn. So I will give them, let's say, 754. Then I will call for another volunteer to give me any 3-digit number. Let's say he or she gives me 842. Then I will tell them that it is again my turn. So I will give them, let's say, 157. After completing all the 5 add-ins, I will be telling my students that I can easily add this up without the use of any calculator in just few seconds. Let me see if my answer is correct. So the answer here will be 2,743. Pause this video and use your calculator to check whether my answer is correct. Let's do a level up. This time, I will be needing 7 add-ins with 4-digit numbers. Let me begin. Let's say for example, I give my students 7,152. Then I will call for a volunteer to give me any 4-digit number he or she has in mind. Let's say for example, he or she gives me 3,465. Then I will tell them that it is again my turn. So I will give them, let's say for example, 6,534. Then I will call for another volunteer to give me another 4-digit number. Let's say he or she gives me 1,483. Then again it's my turn. So I will give them, let's say, 8,516. Okay, this time I will call for another volunteer to give me another 4-digit number. Let's say for example, he or she gives me 5,407. And then I will tell them that it's again my turn. So I will be having 4,592. After completing the 7 add-ins, I will tell my students that I can still add this up without the aid of any calculator in just few seconds. So my answer here will be 37,149. Kindly pause this video and check whether my answer is correct by using your calculator. For now, let me leave you this video and try to decipher how the trick works. If you already find it out how, kindly leave a comment in the comment box below. By the way, in this video, I have used Explica. You may want to try it out. I have installed it on my iPad. It's definitely free. Although it has watermark, I think it's also fine. So stay connected in my video because in the next video, I will be revealing how this trick works. See ya!